guys and lovely guys. So basically this is going to be a very healthy recipe and recipe which you can use at home in your kitchen. Alright, now I did quite a few recipes similar like this, but this one is a new one. So first thing what we're going to do is put in the spinach, roughly about a handful of spinach inside of the blender. And also we have some pear which I'm going to put with it. Lovely. So hopefully you guys will like the recipe, and please subscribe, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Piece of ginger. And I'm gonna squeeze some lime juice in it. That is lovely. We're gonna put roughly about half cups of water to free up the blender. Alright guys? Remember now we have to free up the blender now. We're gonna put some honey, roughly about a teaspoon of honey inside of it. Because the pear is already sweet, so you have to be careful. And now we're gonna just blend this about 2 to 3 seconds. Alright, that is beautiful and fantastic. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's exactly what I'm talking about right there in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo and the team. So anyway, please stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page and Twitter. And I want to take the time out to say thank you guys for, watching my YouTube channel. As I said, we have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Alright, if you have any concern or any question, please leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Alright, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.